compromise ako sa gusto niya rin.
There's only one thing that is sure in this life, it is change. That's something you can't change. I think more than the word change, I think what's more important are words like improvement, evolution. Parang you keep pushing yourself to be a better version of yourself.
Napaka-importante po ng being true to yourself kasi paano ka magmamahal ng tama, paano ka magiging secure sa sarili mo na you're doing the right thing kung hindi ka totoo sa sarili mo. That's the first thing of loving anyone.
Being true to yourself brings out the best in you. Nakikilala mo yung sarili mo at kung sino ka.
Tapos ano naman natin gumawa ng love story in Star Series? A full experience. Watching this movie, you will experience the pains and joys of love, and I assure you, paglabas mo dito, you would want to fall in love. It will make you love more.
Star Cinema and Viva Films proudly bring a film that will make your summer the new Valentine's season. Sarah Geronimo and Coco Martin.
Yung pelikulang ito, ipapakita na kailangan mo minsan mamili ng kung anong klase pagmamahal ang gusto mo ma-experience sa buong buhay mo. Nakikita ko ba yung sa video ko na magbabago ako para itulis lang yung taong yun or magpapakatotoo ka?
Oo, pag tinanong mo, anong difference ng pagmamahal ko nung at ngayon? Sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam. Dahil alam ko lang, mga panahon na yun, totoo yung nararamdaman ko at nagmamahal ako. That time, ang alam ko lang love. Ngayon, pag tinanong mo ko, love, tas yung future. Minahal kita. Totoo yun.
There was never an us. There will never be an us. Kaya please.
Don't do this to us.
May 28 na po.
We will make summer the new Valentine's.
Maybe this time, starring Miss Sarah Geronimo, Rupa Gutierrez,
And Mr. Coco Martin.
directed by Jerry Lopez Inene,
Under Viva Films.
and Star Cinema.
Maybe this time. Ngayon may tatay na.
Maybe this time.
Okay, ayan. Sarap, di ba ang sarap pwede magtanong from that take one material? Hindi pala 6 hours, sorry. Diyan lang. Okay, who would like to ask the next question? Hi, Miss Marie Lozano of the Viva Show. Okay, sino gusto mong magtanong? Ang ganda ng linya ni Coco pala, no? Hindi mo alam yung tunay na nararamdaman mo hanggang di mo nakikita yung tao. Kung hindi mo ma-validate yung feelings mo dun sa tao pag hindi mo nakakaharap. Ang ganda-ganda ng yun. Chika! Okay. Okay, si Mami Jo ulit. Go ahead. Hindi po ito one-on-one ni Mami Jo. Pwede ko kayo magtanong.
Magtatanong po ako dun kay Ma'am Vanessa.
I-acknowledge ko lang si Miss Melay Monge and si Kukay Labayan.
Pwede po bang malaman paano po na-create si Tep-Tep Antonio?
Oh, interesting.
Lagi niyo na po ako naririnig sila.
Go, Miss. Oh, sige, ayaw ni Miss Fan. Si Miss Kukay.
Siguro siguro nung ginagawa kasi namin yung kwento, iniisip namin syempre yung magiging pairing ni Sarah at ni Coco. And for us, naging, siguro lahat naman ng kwento nanggagaling lang naman talaga sa mga personal na experience namin. Nung isang beses nga kinakausap ko ni Coco, bakit mo gusto magsulat? Parang sabi ko sa kanya, siguro nung bata pa lang ako, mahilig na ako mag-imagine. And hanggang ngayon na kinikreate namin yung mga characters, siguro ini-imagine lang namin kung ano kaya yung pwedeng gampanan ni Coco Martin tsaka ni Sarah Geronimo na talagang mabibring out yung best for both of them. Kasi nga sinabi ni Direk Jerry na si Sarah galing sa light, si Coco galing sa drama. Parang siguro nag-isip kami nila Anton, nila Miss Melay, nila Miss Van, kung paano mapagsasama yung dalawang characters na yun. And, ayun, siguro kinonsider lang talaga namin yung strengths nila pareho. And, yun, from personal mga kwento. Ay, hindi. Mga real stories in life.
Pag babae nagsabi nag-i-imagine, parang okay lang. Pero pag baligyan nagsabi, ini-imagine ka namin, parang iba ang dating. Miss Melay, go ahead. You wanna share something?
I think you're asking how you came about it. Actually, there was a first story that we posted them. But at some point, it was so hard to cast that story. was gonna fall apart. It was a triangle. Actually, we wanted to put Sarah in a triangle kasi she's never been talaga in a triangle. And then there was this challenge of how to present a more mature Sarah alongside a lighter Coco. Kasi nga we were saying, actually the hardest part was melding the two together because those two genres probably wouldn't match, and it was very difficult. Then one day, we were at our wits' end na, and then sinabi ko, what if itong ganitong kwento? It was, anong oras na yun? 2 a.m. Parang ganyan. So, what if ganito? Tapos talagang babaguhin namin lahat. The following day, Direk Jerry was there. And then I said, Direk Jerry, gagawa tayo ng lighter soltera na dinirect niya before.
Oh, yeah.
Sabi ko, Direk, gawa tayo ng lighter soltera. Sabi niya, sige, sige. Tapos it was like 8 a.m., 9 a.m. Tawag kami agad kay Tita Malu. Tita Malu, what if ganito? Okay. Gumano siya. First time ko siya narinig na, okay. Kaya na ako man sinasabi. And then, may casting na rin kami ng third party. Sabi na, Tita Malu, what if si Rufa Gutierrez yung third party? In-approve agad ni Tita Malu. So, naniwala si Tita Malu na kaya nilang dalawa. And nakapag, kami ng casting na maitatayo namin yung pelikula. And then, I think, in crafting the story, we had to take into consideration where they were in their careers. Sarah wanted a more mature Sarah, a more mature movie. Pero, consideration naman hindi natin pwedeng gulatin yung audience. Hindi ko ina-expect pag sinabing mature, makita ko si Sarah na nagtatagal ng damit. Hindi ganun ang ina-expect ko, di ba? Ay, di ba? Huwag natin magulatin yung audience. Tsaka parang feeling ko, hindi naman yun yung brand ni Sarah, di ba? And at the same time, gusto ni Coco, kunyari light, hindi ko naman may expect na si Coco sobrang pakinig-kilig or whatever. So, magmamatch mo sila. And then, I talked to Coco, we had to talk to him. And it was like one of the longest conversations of my life, where every sentence was prefaced by, sorry, I have to be honest. Hindi, kasi I had to tell him, Coco, this is the thing, no? If we want to put you in a rom-com, you have to be willing to laugh at yourself. So, anong pwede namin paglaruan sa'yo? Tinanong ko siya noon, hindi ko alam mo, naalala mo to, anong pwede namin paglaruan sa'yo? Kasi sa pelikula, iinsultuhin ka ni Sarah. At some point, sabi niya, tinanong ko, pwede ko bang paglaruan yung deficiencies mo sa speech? Nagulat ako, umuo siya. Sabi niya, pwede rin ako insultuhin ni Sarah sa height ko. Pwede niya ako insultuhin doon sa hindi ako marunong mag-English. Natuwa ako doon, sabi ko, nagbibigay yung artista. Sige, ni-embrace niya to. Sige, sasakyan to. Gamitin natin to sa pelikula. Tapos tawa yung manager niya na si B-Boy kasi sabi niya, bakit Vanessa lagi ang sentence mo? Sorry, I have to be honest. Kasi sabi ko, hindi lahat ng artista tatanggapin yung sinasabi ko kasi gusto ko silang tulungan. Pero minsan may kaakibat yun na may pagkukulang ka dito, aayusin natin. And in-address nga yun sa pelikula, may sinabi